y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another DIY embellishment video. This one is going to be super short and sweet. You guys have saw me do this donut before, and there's lots and lots of ways you could do it. You can ink it up, you can pop dot the frosting, you can put glossy accents, you can put actual little resin, or not resin, polymer clay sprinkles. Lots and lots of options. I've done this one several times. I did some for Halloween, I know. And I'm not sure what else I did them for. But we're going to do one today for Valentine's. And something just quick and easy because I'm a little bit short on time. So, all I'm going to do is put it together for you guys. And if you leave a comment, you will be entered to win these. And I will send you both of them. I got this die. This is the die. It's easy. This piece, this one, and the word sweet. And I got this off of Temu a long time ago. Gosh, I don't know. It's probably been 2 years ago now or something. So it's been a hot minute. But I still love it. It is a really good size. I think I counted right. I think there's 13 sprinkles. I could be wrong though. You never know. Let's see. It needs to be flipped over. Really easy. But cute. I can tell which side was cut with the die and which one wasn't, because you know how it gives that little edge. Well, if you have a die cutting machine, you know how it gives a little edge. I don't know if y'all can tell that. I'm not just being super picky. I do have a legit reason why I'm flipping them over. I counted right. Yay! Yay me. Okay. I did cut this out of my basic gray paper. And I cut this out of it too. So like I said, I'll send both of these. And I'll send these extra little hearts. These are just the hearts that come out of the middle whenever it cut. So, to be entered to win, all you have to do is leave me a comment. Until next time. Bye, y'all.